it's Brandy with Loving Living Green. We're here today at the Peachtree Corners Supercharger just north of Atlanta. Let's see what's around while we charge. In finding the Supercharger, when you see the parking deck, come into the very last row to pull in. All the way down at the end, you will find the Tesla Superchargers. The turn-in is directly across from the Lazy Dog. In the shopping center, you will find a Zoe's Kitchen, a Sprouts Grocery, and a Firebird's Wood Fire Grill. There is a First Watch, Marlowe's Tavern and Crema Ice Cream, a Beard Papa's Cream Puffs, a Firestone Kitchen. A little further down, you'll see a Poke Works and a Taqueria Tsunami. There is also a Gancha Tea and a Salada. There's an Uncle Jack's Meat House in front of the shopping center, and if you go in right by the Lazy Dog, there's actually a bridge that takes you across the highway over to the Forum for more dining and shopping. If you're interested in what's around other Superchargers, subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a big thumbs up. Thanks, and we'll see you on the road.